Today on Exploring Fires, we head to this amazing abandoned castle in rural France. We're going to find some amazing stuff in here, treasures, stuff that's been left here for up to 40 years. Not only that, we're going to find something in the garage that's going to blow your mind. Let's go. Okay, right, so we've got a location to go to which is unbelievable. Honestly, you're not even ready for this. I've filmed some amazing chateaus in the past. This one is going to blow your minds. Let's go. So we're here at the location. Take a look. It looks like a castle. Well, it is. It's a chateau, which means castle. Let's go and see what we can find. Make sure there's no traps. I don't like it when I see wires. Right, well the windows are open. Right, just hold on one sec because it's clear. Well, there's a clear view of the farm there.
Knife sharpness.
Yeah, grinding wheel, grinding storm. Right, everyone, farm over there.
We need to go straight to that corner.
Straight over to the back. Go, go, go. More cars. A little outhouse over there.
I smell the decay just down there.
Well, the window's open. Is the door going to be open?
The window's open back here. Looks like it's been used for storage as well.
Hold on.
Oh.
Oh my god, that scared the hell out of me. Mask. I just hope the rooms I want to see are still intact.
That mask.
It scared me when I walked in. Oh, it's really cold in here. I'll fucking stab you. Even the jackets are still here. This is definitely not what I expected. But then again, we haven't got to all of the rooms yet. Oh, there's the Santa there. There's a creepy French Santa. I still find it amazing how this just can all be abandoned. Really is. Oh wow, look in here. It really is a shame. It's like one of them Tiffany lamps. Look at that. But that's worth some money. Shame it's broken. Got more farm equipment here. Piano, as usual, standard. But there is a lot of other kind of culture items in here. You've got some Egyptian items in here. Look at this little mini grandfather clock. Piano. Well, kind of works. Look at this, even had the little holders to the candles. What make is this? Something Paris. It's amazing. All the china's still there. There's some kind of ram horns on the table. Soda stream. Huh? Is it not?
You put the little gas canister in there.
Yeah.
And you get off, they suck the air in through there.
Really?
Yeah, that's what they use. It's parties and stuff. You know, just them little.
I thought it was a soda stream.
Doing them little canisters you get from in the air rifles and stuff.
Yeah.
Like PPC all over roads and stuff like that. You put them in the top of that.
Alright, I thought you put juice in it and then you put the CO2 on it and it basically makes it into a fizzy drink.
It might be, but that's what they use in the people have been using for the thing. When I went to Santa Pod, people were walking around and sucking all that.
Really?
Yeah. Taking shots of the gas.
Well, glad I've not done that. I'm guessing upstairs is going to be better. These chairs, look how old these chairs are. It's time to head upstairs. Here's the grand staircase. Miniature Eiffel Tower. I keep seeing a lot of sculptures around as well. Sculpture over here. I wonder if it was used for something art related here. There's one there as well. Right, let's go up this beautiful grand staircase. This is nice. Nice setup here. All the books untouched. Definitely fallen into serious disrepair. Bathroom has seen better days. Oh wow. Shots of something. I don't think these were used for like drug paraphernalia. I think it was mainly medication of some sort. See, there's quite a lot of medication knocking about. In fact, a lot. It's fallen into disrepair. Definitely. Small room just cluttered and smashed up. It seems like it's becoming a big rarity finding these untouched mansions. The mansions that are, you know, left by everyone.
Well, exercise.
Yes, it is. I thought it was a go-kart at first. And it wasn't that long ago. We were hitting untouched mansion after untouched mansion, but sometimes I think the farmers do this, you know. Where this massive chateau is situated, there's farms all around. Now obviously farmers don't like people going in these places, even though it doesn't belong to them. So what they do sometimes is they trash the place, so it makes it not worth people driving out and going and visiting, which is a real sad thing. But then again, could just be other explorers, kids, you don't know. But this is so rural, it can't just be kids. You look at this. It's just nothing but fields out here. All the wardrobe seems very 70s to 80s. Oh, it's quite nice in here actually. Look at this. It's a nice bed. Oh, the chandelier. Wow. The chandelier is amazing. I'm going to get some amazing photos in here. So obviously you already know. Come over and see them on Instagram. Instagram.com/exploringfighters. Just type in Exploring with Fighters. I come straight up. I post so many photos of the places. And I normally post the photos a couple days before I release the video. It's like teasers so you know what's coming. So yeah, if you want to see what's coming, join me on Instagram. I'm just going to get some photos of this right now. But wow, best room so far. Okay, so I just got some amazing photos. Definitely go and check them out. But let's look here. So they were definitely an artist. Look, even a watch. A watch is still sat on the side. I don't know why, I'm assuming it's a female. It's a very small wrist to fit that. Obviously this is all in French, so I don't understand any of it. It's sat here next to an open window. How long is it going to be before this is destroyed? Definitely my favourite room of the house. I just can't believe how untouched it is. And that chandelier is absolutely amazing. It looks like a big crown almost. I love the ceiling as well. I didn't even notice that. What is it? The chandelier's hanging. This is my favourite room. It's so untouched.
It's the cleanest.
Yeah, it's really strange.
Really nice room.
Oh, I love the luggage box there as well. Get a better view of that. So I came through that way. Oh, this is like a big walk-in wardrobe. Oh wait, it takes you through the... Oh, what's this? Hold on a second. Oh! What? No way. Look at this. Massive spiral staircase. It's like it goes to a dungeon. Well, let's go. Let's go up it. Oh, this is amazing. Not sure how safe it all is. The walls are cracking a bit, but wow. That's amazing. You can see right down the centre of it there. Oh, that's amazing. Didn't even see that before. We're in the attic now. It just keeps going. So I think the thing with this place is it's not really untouched. It's not, every room is a pristine, but the thing is all the artifacts are here, they're scattered about, so it's a case of finding them. So that's what we're going to do. We're in the attic right now. We're going to see what we can find. Gotta watch this floor though. I don't know how safe that floor is. Super old luggage box. Oh, big stained glass window over there. Big circular one. I wonder where that's from. And another one there. I wonder if it's got a clock tower somewhere. Oh, it could be from the church. There's actually a church on this ground as well. We'll go and see that after this.
It's like throw down your hair.
What do you think? It's a nice staircase, isn't it?
It's a beautiful staircase.
Reminds me a little bit of the one in Rapunzel's castle.
It is.
That I filmed.
If my hair was long enough, I'd throw it out for Andrew. He's out far.
There's a lot of these, I think they're targets. Oh wow, look at this floor, it's all bowing. Hey bro, not in here. No way am I crossing that.
Bad.
Yeah, it's all bowing.
I ain't going over there.
It's
Where
not.
did you go here?
There might be another way across. So I want to go and look over there, but I'm not crossing that floor. It's just, you can see it coming away from the wall there.
A little Chinese. No, it's Hindu.
Oh
Hindu.
wow! What the hell? That's why it's called Chateau Hindu.
Bear.
No way.
So guys, we were so curious why this was called Chateau Hindu.
This is
Incredible. Mate, I'd love to have this bear.
wow, what a find.
Oh my god.
Look at that out there. This is insane.
Maybe it's like a spiritual room. It's to come up here and...
I've
It's very oriental and...
never ever in my life seen such a change in culture in a mansion.
It's like Teddy Bear's picnic going on.
Just be careful on this floor as well, it's board.
The flooring is so bad.
It's got to be one of the coolest but most strangest places I've been to. Just from the bird sat there, the elephant, everything being Hindu themed. It's beautiful. I think it won't be ceramic, maybe ceramic or pottery, elephant there. It's just everything. It's like Shiva. So unusual. So I think this might be like a room to come up to just disappear from everything from ordinary life. This room, I mean, stepping inside here, I don't feel like I'm in France anymore. I feel like I'm in just some different, I can't even explain, it's like a different place altogether. But I've never seen that kind of contrast before, where it's one themed all the way along, and all of a sudden you step in somewhere, it's like boom, different contrast altogether. It's like a completely different mansion in here now, just in this single room. I don't know if you can tell I'm excited about this one. I love this place. I tell you what, if you think this room is cool, hit that like button now. I'm literally watching the likes just to see how much people enjoyed this room alone. Let's see what else we can find in here. A box of shoes. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I saw the orange robes, and I thought they were
just walk them beams.
Hare Krishna. What?
I walked across the beams around.
Oh, did you? Look, it's a New Year's dragon. That. Bucky, Flex. Yeah? You ain't ready yet.
I didn't even know this was real.
Yeah. Look to your right now.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why it's called the Chateau Hindu.
Wow.
Don't step on that floor, bro. Don't go that way.
Oh, is it bad?
Yeah. Go through that room. Gotta go through the Hindu room.
Oh, cool.
Oh, look at the old typewriter. But this is amazing. Look at this. Why would there be a Chinese? I think it's a Chinese New Year dragon. It's like for the Dragon Festival and stuff. Why would that be here? Really is very strange in here. Look at that there. Another dragon mask. One there. There's another one there. They're everywhere. A big one there. Just looking down upon him, judging. What are you doing in my chateau? Well, this place has 100% surprised me. I was kind of disappointed when I walked in. I was disappointed. But yeah, this has changed everything for me. Changed everything. What is that? It's an old roller skate. Gotta watch out, watch this, look at this. You can hear over there creaking when you step on that, so yeah. We're not gonna bother going that way now. Look, the floors are dipping here. Yeah, there's not much else to see here. I don't want to fall through 4 floors. Let's get out of here. Well, oh, pumpkin.
It's impressive though.
Oh, there's another Hindu statue here. Look at all these crates. Stuff must have arrived in these crates. What's that? Looks like a very strange disco ball. Unusual, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
It's time to leave this room now. It's panicking me being this high up and the floors being this bad. But yeah, one of my favourite rooms so far on this trip. Pull the string. careful on that floor, bro.
You finished in there?
I was just passing through. That's the floor. Don't walk on that floor. Look at it.
No, it's right. It's solid.
No, bro. Look at it. It's coming away from the wall. Look how bored it is.
I'm just waiting because every time I walk in, someone else walks in.
Yeah, because that's the pass through. Because no one wants to be walking on that floor.
Right. No, I mean he took photos, walked out, come back in and started filming.
It's alright, Bucky. You'll get your turn. Calm down.
Every room I walk into.
Well, there is 5 of us all together, so there's always going to be someone knocking about. Right, we've been down here. Let's head back down to the bottom of the spiral staircase. Maybe there's a dungeon. I feel kind of dizzy now. Which way should we go? Right or left? Yeah, left. Oh, we're back at the start. We're back here. This is where we came in. Okay, so we'll go and take a look at the outside. Yeah, let's go. I think Andrew's out here as well. The sun is getting nice and warm. It's about time. We came from the Alps and it was absolutely freezing. -5 in fact. Look at this. It's a big old place. The front of it looks amazing though. It's got the spires on it. Some abandoned cars here. An old red Clio, Peugeot 206. And there's something in the garage as well. Let's go and take a look at that. Oh, look at the old street lamps there. I've never seen anything like that before. Almost looks steampunk. Oh, and there's a lamp over there. I really like lamps. Let's go inside here. Oh my god. No. No. This can't just be sat here. No way. A Fiat 850. What? What? My mind's blown. My mind's blown. Bucky hasn't seen this because when we walked past it, this estate was parked in front. I think it's a Renault, is it? A Peugeot estate was sat there, so we couldn't see this small Fiat sports car sat behind it or in front of it. Look at this. It's had a bit of damage there. That's probably why it was put here. Look at that. This is absolutely amazing find. Amazing. The engines were in the back of these. I wonder if we're coming up in the engine. Oh, there we go. There's the engine. Only a small, I think they're a 1.6 or something. 1600cc, I think. Let's shut it back down. No doubt Bucky and that will want to have a look in that engine bay, but wow. What a find. Okay, so I've been sat here for about 20 minutes now, just looking at this car, waiting for the others to finally get out and come and see it as well. But it got me thinking, I wish there was a way that we could save these cars. I mean, I know there is. There is a way we can apply for ownership, apply for a logbook, and then what they do is they send out a letter, and if no one replies within so many working days, or like 20 days or something like that, we get ownership of the car. Now obviously I don't have the time to really restore these kind of cars, but a part of me feels like I should be trying to rescue these cars, because that is it's a classic sat right there. I don't think I've even seen one in person before, and it's just sat here decaying. I mean, luckily it's still in shelter, but how long is it going to be before some vandals turn up and think, oh, you know what, let's do what we did to the Peugeot estate and pour paint all over the roof. And obviously there's no roof on this, it's a convertible, and it doesn't even look like the convertible top is actually inside the car. So here comes the question of the episode. We're doing the ABC question. So if you found this car sat here like we have done right now, would you A, leave it alone, don't even touch it? Would you B, try and find out who the owner is, seek the permission to rescue it? Would you C, to try and rescue it, drag it out, take it on a trailer back to the UK or wherever you live? Let me know what would you do, A, B or C? I love doing these things because it gives me a real good perspective on what other people think, especially you guys, what the team fighters think we should do. Anyway, I'll leave that up to you. But for now, all we can do is just stand here and look at it, because in a legal sense I can't do anything about this right now. Right, so we're going to ring Bucky and tend to... No answer. Bucky, I'm trying to give you a head start to come out here and take photos. Look at this, blue paint has been poured on the roof of this Peugeot. Oh, what even is that? I don't even know what that is. Look at that, it's just sat there, peacefully waiting someone to rescue it. Just tried ringing you, Bucky. What? I've just tried ringing you. Okay. Boys.
I don't know what's in the garage yet. I've just told him I'm going to go and show him.
Let's go and look in the garage.
Right, don't tell me. I know there's a Peugeot 405. I've seen it when I walk past.
Forget the Peugeot.
Right. Am I going to cry?
Bro, you're going to be very upset. Right, shh, keep it down. Go, dart across. Oh my god. 3850. Oh, yeah, 3850.
Feel it?
Oh wow, that's in mint condition, apart from the door. Yep, engine's still in. Oh my word. That is an iconic car right there. What do you think?
That needs pulled out of here ASAP and washed.
Honestly, I bet you that would come up nice.
I know, it's got some damage on the door, but...
Oh yeah. Well, the seats are missing, but... still got all the dash ones from him.
See, look at these two. This is like X-rated material for these two. It's amazing, that, isn't it?
Boot open.
Tried it, but you want to open.
I think it's open.
Oh yeah, there we go.
The spare wheel's not in there.
That isn't very
Battery's missing.
Yeah.
Is anyone clued up on these cars? I know there's a lot of car geeks on my channel. Let me know what you know about these.
That's a find, boys, right there. That's a find.
With all the cars we've
I saw the
found
back
so
end of the
far.
Peugeot and thought that's cool.
Yeah, I know.
With the cars we found so far on this trip, we could make a classic car showroom.
I know. I was saying that before. I was saying this.
So many classic cars.
It's heartbreaking to lead them. It really is.
So that's just going to end up rotting even more.
I know.
And then it's just going to end up being rotting.
I mean, luckily at the moment it's sheltered. But how long is it going to be until some vandals come in, pour paint on like they have done with that Peugeot?
Still got a bit of area up front tyres.
I know.
Imagine driving down the road in that.
I know. Roof down, sun blazing. What?
I wonder where the roof is.
It goes in there, but but it's gone.
Oh, someone's took it.
Yeah, roof is not in it. The soft roof.
And that's not the right seat either. Wrong seat, isn't it?
We've seen.
Okay, so right there, you can see the keys are still in the ignition. The keys are still in it.
I would drive it every day. I would take it to work. I would live in it.
You would live in this soft top.
I'd love it. I'd absolutely love it. I would use it every day. Imagine that in the summer. Just
I know.
driving around, you know, the wind going through what remains of my hair, and you know what I mean. It'd be brilliant, wouldn't it? You
Well,
know?
it would be soon to be like wind on your bald head.
Yeah, it'd be refreshing. Is what I mean.
But whoever, like the garage was doing a mechanic, because there's a head gasket over there as well. So they were obviously maintaining a car in here. So yeah, unbelievable. So glad I stopped by. I was really shocked, and I was worried when I was seeing the bottom of it all, thinking, oh no, it's another chateau that's been trashed. And then we started going upstairs and we started seeing everything else, and then we saw the Hindu room. I loved it. We saw the Hindu room, and then we saw the Fiat 850. Oh man, what a day. What a day. Anyway, I think we need to head over to services and yeah, get some food. There it is though, you got the stream running down here as well. It's amazing around here. Enjoy that, Flex?
Loved it.
Yeah?
Absolutely loved it, yeah. Right down from the artwork to that car.
Andrew, do you enjoy it? Yeah. Do you see the classic car?
The one in the garage?
Yeah, the red one. Amazing, that, isn't it?
Checked out the garage after I got my photos inside.
Yeah, it's amazing. Right, what do you reckon services? We're still on good time. What is it, midday?
It's noon.
Right, let's go. We've hit 2 spots today already. Let's go and get some food.
Alright.
We come and take a look at this little church. I don't think we're going to find anything here, but it's, you know, it's worth a shot. This church is on the same land. It belonged to the chateau. And look at this stained glass. So we actually did some research, and in this location, this massive area, population of 132 people. That's it. That's all that's here. Wow, actually it's quite nice. Could have been a bell up there at one point. You can see that. Still see part of the mechanism inside it. Look at this inside. It's only a small little place, but wow, the stained glass is amazing. Obviously massively fallen into disrepair. God, huge cross.
One flex there, bless him. Go on, have a bit of flex, see? Show us some flex. God, this is incredible. I was going to say,
Well,
that's what I was looking for.
not much else to see, but that was yeah, it's a really nice little church. But yeah, that's all of it. Let's go and get some food now.